Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Okay, so today I'm rocking no makeup except for my brows, you know, because until I get my microblading done, that's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna be reviewing this bedhead little tease crimper. My husband brought this home from Walmart. I'm not sure how much he paid for it. I'll put it down below. But yeah, so I'm gonna do like a get ready with me / review. So I'm gonna do like an 80s look on for my makeup. I'm not wearing any makeup. Like I said, I just I did a little moisturizer. This is the one that I prefer, so this is what I used. I did spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. This is the cucumber and green tea. This stuff is freaking so amazing. Look, it's almost gone though. So yeah, so I just sprayed my face with that and then I moisturized over it. So yeah, this is No Filter Lacy. Don't mind my pale skin, you know. Gonna be working on my tan soon. So anyways, yeah, it's gonna be a get ready with me / review. So yeah. Simple, like 80s look, you know, totally simple, not much to it. It didn't take me very long to do it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hair down, I'm gonna brush it, and then I'm gonna warm this guy up, and I'll be right back. Damn, guys, space buns are out. Now I just gotta brush it out. Be right back. Okay guys, so this is as good as it's gonna get. I brushed it out. This is just from having the space buns in. So yeah, so anyways, I took it out of the packaging and I heated it up to high, and I'm just waiting for it to be ready. What I should have done, honestly, is I should have used smaller sections. I think that you know, once I started getting towards the end is when I noticed that when I would do smaller sections, it would come out better. So maybe that was just my bad. I mean, it doesn't look bad. You guys probably can't really tell either. I don't know, maybe you can kind of see like the crimped look in it. It just, I don't know. What do you guys think? Be honest, I know. It really just made my hair like huge, if anything. So yeah. The bed head crimper. Walmart. I'm not sure how much. Husband brought it home. I have another one that he brought home as well that I'm gonna probably do too. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, so crimped hair. Ready for that 80s party. Yeah, 80s day. Just a little bit of blue eyeliner, some red or some pink cheeks. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's that. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not already, the like, share me out if you like, and yeah, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye.